Namaskar. Today I am going to show you two best asanas which will help you to control the sugar level. The best part is these asanas can not only be performed on the mat but can also be done on your chair. So those people who can't sit down can watch the video till the end to know how it can be done on the chair. Asanas which are good for diabetes are generally those asanas which will have a lot of pressure on the abdomen or the twist. So twists are considered as one of the best asanas to help you reduce the sugar level. Why? Because your pancreas are at the side of your abdomen, and when you're twisting, it's getting a massage and thereby the blood supply towards the pancreas improve and thereby improving their health. So one of the best twists which I feel is Vakrasana, sitting twist. So you bend one leg, place the feet by the side of the other knee. Then, since I'm showing you an easier version, I won't be locking my armpit. What I'll be doing is I'll be just catching my leg with the opposite hand. So I have bent my right leg and catching it with the left hand, either with the palm or you try to hug it. Remember to keep the back straight, don't allow the back to bend down. Okay, keep it straight and then start twisting and place the hand behind and turn the face. Close your eyes and keep breathing. So if you see, my chest is opening up, my shoulders are in one line. Many a times I have seen people placing the hand over here and just maintaining. Though this looks like a twist, it's not a complete twist. To get a complete twist, what you will do is keep moving the shoulders in the opposite direction. So my right shoulder is moving towards my left side and my left shoulder is moving towards my right side. Then you get a good complete twist. You can keep the palm down or on the tip of your fingers, whatever you feel comfortable. Close the eyes, keep breathing, don't allow the head to drop down. Don't lean on the hand which is behind. These are some of the mistakes which you have to avoid. Maintain as per your capacity. I always mention in my videos that you should always maintain as per your capacity. Don't force yourself to go into any asana. Don't force yourself to maintain the asana for a longer time. Slowly build it up. So same way on the other side, you bend the leg, catch it with the opposite hand, lift the back up, then turn, move the shoulders in the opposite direction, eyes closed, keep breathing, and try to keep your abdomen relaxed in this. Don't squeeze it in. Maintain as per your capacity, and then slowly come back and relax. The next asana is Vajrasanasta Yoga Mudra, in which you'll be sitting in Vajrasana. So, after sitting in Vajrasana, which is sitting between your heels, you form the fist of your fingers with the thumb inside, four fingers covering the thumb, and place it on your lap such that the hands are touching each other. Then you push your elbows back, shoulders back, face up. Now take a deep breath in and exhaling, start bending forward, keeping the back as much straight as possible. So don't curve the back. So keep the back up, inhale, exhaling, start moving forward.
Then if you can rest the chin on the ground, chin, then nose, then the forehead, and then slowly start relaxing the elbows down. Close your eyes and keep breathing. You will feel a lot of pressure on the abdomen, but still try to keep it relaxed, let it move with the breath. Maintain as per your capacity. Then slowly push your elbows back, shoulders back, and slowly start coming out.
And then relax. If you are not able to touch your forehead on the ground, you can always keep a couple of pillows or a yoga brick and rest your forehead on that. Do it again as per your capacity. There is a lot of pressure on the abdomen. Those who can't bear that pressure can do it without the fist. So just stretch the hands in front
and drop the head down.
The pressure on the abdomen is bringing a lot of fresh blood supply, fresh oxygen to the pancreas, thereby improving the health and thereby helping you to reduce your sugar level. So now I am showing you both the asanas sitting on the chair. So you sit with the feet on the ground. The first one is the twist. You catch with both the hands one armrest of the chair and then just start twisting with the support of this grip. The same thing can be done with the hand which is behind, going and catching the backrest and getting the twist. Close your eyes, keep breathing, maintain as per your capacity. So again, the full body is turning. So I am not doing like this, where this shoulder is forward. I am trying to open out it. Take it. Keep pushing it behind and keep bringing this shoulder forward. So this is the first one. The second one, Vajrasanas to Yoga Mudra, doing on chair without the Vajrasana. Those who can't do Vajrasana. So form the fist of your fingers. Keep it on your lap, push the elbows back, shoulders back, face up, and then start bending forward. And drop the head down.
Try to drop the elbows down. Then keep the elbows back.
Face up, come back, and relax. Apart from these practices, certain breathing practices like Anulom Vilom Kapalbhati will also help you to control the sugar level. I have also done one video on a special mudra and breathing practice which will help you to control the sugar level. The link of which is given in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.